Hi guys, welcome to my video. So in this video I'm going to fix voice glitch issues in game loop by while using GeoFiber internet. So there are so much glitches in game loop, the voice glitch like voice glitch and login issues. So in this video I'll fix you both of them. So first thing, the step one is to go to your here in the right corner bottom. So you can see there's a network icon. So over there you can you should click right click on that icon and open network internet settings. So you can see here it's opening now, and you need to click here change adapter options. So you can click on this, double tap, so it will open up and now you have three options here: Ethernet, local area connections, Wi-Fi. So you need to click on if you have LAN cable installed directly through your motherboard, so you need to click on Ethernet, or else if you are playing through Wi-Fi you need to click through Wi-Fi. So I'm currently connected through Ethernet, so I need to open this thing. So you should click right click on this Ethernet and icon and go to properties. So here there will be two options you should select. First thing, make sure that you take both of these, the internet protocol version 4 and internet protocol version 5, I mean 6. So you make sure you right click on this both of them and make sure you need to keep them ticked always. So your first thing you need to do is click on this thing and go to properties. So leave this settings, go to down. So default it will be like obtain a DNS server automatically. So you need to use the following DNS server address. So what you need to do is in preferred DNS server you need to type 1.1.1.1 and here 1.0.0.1, I mean sorry 1. So or else you can type here even I'll give, wait a minute, 8.8.8.8, this one 8.8.4.4. so this 8.8.8.8 belongs to Google DNS server, and 1.1.1.1 belongs to WASP server. So you can type anything in this and you need to click OK. So and next go to these settings and leave this area again and go to here. By default it will always be the same, so you need to use the following DNS server address. So here preferred DNS server address, I'll give you, wait a minute. So guys, so by default we need to attach, I mean type these things on this both. I'll give you in these links in the description. So preferred DNS server should be 2606 2 dots 4700 2 dots again 4700 nearly 4 dots I think, and 1111. So these are the preferred DNS servers, and alternate DNS server also you can see here. So I'll give you these in the description, so you can do these things. Okay, and next thing is that the next step is, I'll show you, wait a minute. So you need to go to Google, type here 192.168.229.1. I'll give you these I mean the numbers in the description, so you can type easily. So enter this. So if you are new to log in this, make sure you search that how to get normal DNS in GeoFiber. So they'll give you this. No, I think okay, you need to type this also. And next thing is, so next thing is you need to do how to log in GeoFiber router. So this will helps you to log in. So now here it's asking you username. So the username should be admin first, admin, and GeoCentrum is the password. So I have already entered my name, so I'll log in through that. After logging in, it will ask to change password and all other things you need to do that your own. I have already done, but you can see you can do it your own. You just need to, first thing should be capital and all things should be normal, and in middle you need to keep any @ or hashtag, then any number, so that will fix, you will fix it easily. So next what you need to do is go to here network settings and LAN after you logging in, and next here you can see that LAN IPv4 configuration. Wait a minute, I'll show you. Okay, LAN IPv4 configuration. So stay on this and go to by default it will be use DNS proxy, but you need to click on this and use below and type here 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 and as secondary DNS server. So you can see here actually these are not default, I have changed it. So, and next thing is it will, after this it will ask a domain name, so you need to keep dns.google. so it's the domain name, as I have said, 8.8.8 belongs to DNS Google. And next thing you need to do is that LAN IPv6 configuration, you need to go there and use again in DNS servers it will use DNS proxy, but use below you should select, and I have given the same in description one to codes like this. So you you copy paste them. I'm thinking that this step 2 will be better for you, because in step 1 does not work for me, but it worked for my friend, but it not work for me, and you can use both steps. So you need to type this, and it will not ask again domain, because domain, wait a minute, domain is there again, sorry, don't mind, domain is there. You can you should always type dns.google. so it is as simple as it is, guys. So you need to type click save, and you can exit and you can run your game. Next thing is that so many people have lots of difference in it. So you need to go to your sounds. Main thing, you need to go to your sounds. You have seen that I have 2 microphones. So what you need to do is you talk in your microphone, which here you can see that my levels are gaining. So which one gains, you need to select as default device, and other one which does not gain, you need to disable that microphone icons. Okay, so you need to do this. And wait a minute, I'll show you my game loop. Wait a minute. As you know, here you need to go to your settings first, and okay, wait a minute. So if you wait a minute, I'll show you one thing. So I am enabling this. So many have doubt here. Wait a minute. So you can see here 2 devices has achieved. So you need to do the step I have told you before, like going to here, talk, speak in your mic, which level gains you need to select it as default device, and other one disable. So if I close and open again settings, so you can see here only microphone and line in is coming. So this is the best way I can tell you. If any updates will come, I'll notify you compulsory. So please subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Love you guys. So this is my video. So hope you fix this, fix your glitches. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys.